This is T-head type of combustion chamber used in spark ignition engines. The special feature of this T-head type of the engine is the inlet wall is on the left hand side and exhaust wall is on the right hand side. Now if it is a 4-cylinder engine, if you are observing from the front side, all the inlet wall will be on the left hand side and all the exhaust wall will be on the right hand side. So to open and close this inlet and the exhaust wall, you need two separate camshafts are required in the crankcase. So in the cylinder block, inlet wall and exhaust wall is placed. On the cylinder head walls are not there. This is the location of the spark plug over here. The advantage of this is the maintenance will be easier because the dismantling of the cylinder head is going to be very easier because very less components are in the cylinder head. The disadvantages are like there is a very knocking is possible over here, petrol knocking is possible, detonation is possible over here, and engine cylinder block is going to be bulkier over here. In the initial stages of the automobile, these type of the designs were used. This is I-head SI engine combustion chamber. This is inlet wall. Back side will be exhaust wall of one combustion chamber. So again, for the second combustion chamber, consecutively you will have an inlet wall and an exhaust wall. The size of the inlet wall will be bigger in size, diameter will be bigger in size over here compared to the exhaust wall. And this is a spark plug over here. So from here the inlet first charges will enter and the combustion will take place over here, and then the exhaust will be just back side of that. So this type of engines are widely used. This is Ricardo turbulent head type of SI engine combustion chamber. This is improvement of the I head type of the combustion chamber. Now here, whatever drawbacks were there in the previous one, they have been resolved over here. You find an exhaust wall over here, and next to it, back side will be inlet wall. So exhaust and inlet wall will be on one side only, so that it will be easier for the designer to design the camshaft over here. The special feature is you will have a very better turbulence of the combustible mixture over here. Once the first charges are entered into the combustion chamber, the domed shape of the combustion chamber which is given over here will give a better swivel to the air fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber. The spark plug is located over here and the exhaust wall is just next to the inlet wall. So exhaust and the inlet are very near. So with the result, heat of the exhaust will be transmitted to the inlet manifold, so that the first charges which are entering into the combustion chamber will also get heated up. So first charges when it enter into the combustion chamber will have a benefit of better flame front travel. So usually these kind of designs will be preferred for the 4-cylinder or multi-cylinder SI engines. This is bathtub type of SI engine combustion chamber. The name is given because in this position it looks like a bathtub over here. The shape of that is bathtub over here. Just a name given. The components over here is a spark plug, is an inlet wall, just behind that will be exhaust wall. All the inlet and the exhaust wall are in the cylinder head over here. And mechanically this is very convenient because operation of the camshaft is being transferred and is located in the cylinder head. So this is improvement of there is going to be better turbulence will be there in the combustion chamber. You find it directly, and it is injected, the air fuel mixture is injected into the combustion chamber, and exhaust will also be from the cylinder head only. The wall is located in the cylinder head. This is F-head SI engine combustion chamber. This is piston, this is cylinder, and this side is a cylinder head. This is a spark plug, this is an exhaust wall, this is an inlet wall. The special feature of this F-head combustion chamber is the inlet wall, the set of inlet walls of different combustion chambers will be in the head, and the exhaust wall will be in the cylinder block. If it is say 4-cylinder engine or 6-cylinder engine, so all the exhaust valves will be in the cylinder block and all the inlet valves will be in the cylinder head. So this side will be inlet and this is the exhaust over here. Now piston special feature is that the combustion chamber piston is a V shape over here. V shape is corresponding cylinder head will also be V shape only. Now here the advantage is usually these kind of pistons will be there for the heavy engines, that is heavy compression ratio engines. So here the better turbulence will be there. Once the air fuel mixture has entered into the combustion chamber, fresh charges have entered into the combustion chamber. So there is a V shape is given for the piston. So because of that, a better swerve will take place inside the combustion chamber. The turbulence will be better. So when the spark at the end of the compression stroke, when the spark is given by the spark plug, so there will be a better flame front will be traveling over here. So this is F-head combustion chamber usually prefer for the bulkier engines where the compression ratio is higher and number of cylinders are more, that is 6-cylinder engine, 8-cylinder engines, and the pistons are usually made out of a bigger size pistons.